Good morning. It is Tuesday, October 30th. This is the second day that I am missing. I apologize, but I'm assuming I'm having a great time up in Washington. But the day is marred. The day's happiness is marred by the fact that I'm not with you in Shir. It's a sad, sad day for me. But at least we get to learn together via video. Okay. This is just an introductory video of what you're going to be doing today. Today is going to be a lot of thinking. Very little video. This is the only video that you're going to be watching today. So it's an introductory just to make sure that we have down pat what we're going to be doing. I'm going to make this video very quickly because at 8:15 and at 10:35 and at 2:50 I'm expecting to get texts from you with the 9 steps or emails. Okay, you should have the iPads in front of you. I expect those at those times. I don't want to hear any excuses. You guys had a full day to do these. I'm giving you a couple minutes extra in the early morning to do these. Okay, the second thing I'd like you to do today afterwards is look at Sugya sheet number 22. Sugya sheet number 22. It has the first 3 questions on Sugya sheet number 22. It says, think about these questions. This is number 4. I know we did step number 1, 2, and then we skipped step number 3, the Lachos and the Rambam. We're going to do those when I get back. Okay, we're going to do those on Wednesday. We'll go over the 2 Rambams, and then we'll ask the questions on the Rambams. But what we're going to be doing is questions number 1, 2, and 3 today. What I'd like you to do is think about the questions. I'm going to review them with you just to make sure that you understand them. And then I would like you to send me those questions. Now here, write down these times. The first question is going to be due. At 8:25. Okay. First question is going to be due for my first year at 8:25. For my second year at 10:55. And for my third year at 3:05. Okay. The second question is going to be due for my first year at 8:35. For my second year at 11:05, and for my third year at 3:15. Okay. The third question is going to be due for my first year at 8:50. For my second year, it's going to be due at 11:15. And for my third year, it's going to be due at 3:30. Okay. Afterwards, my first year will have a whopping 5 minutes free. My third year will have 25 minutes free, and my third year should have about a half an hour free. After that time, I would like you to do the Nach assignments and the Dvar Torah assignments. Anyone that has that done by the end of the period, if either assignment, each assignment done is an extra 15 points if you get it done by the end of the period. So again, the clock is a ticking. You have 6 things to get to me. First is your 9 steps by 8:15, 10:35, or 2:50. Second thing is the 3 questions: 8:25, 10:55, 3:05, 8:35, 11:05, 3:15, 8:50, 11:15, 3:30, and then by the end of the period, for an extra 15 points, you can have the Nach or the Dvar Torah assignment done. Okay, let's look at the questions really quickly. If you want, you can pause the video now and play this after your 9 steps are done. Okay, so if you like to do that, that's perfectly fine with me. Okay, let's go through the 3 questions. Okay, here's my first question. If Shema only requires saying the words to fulfill the mitzvah, what role does language play in the fulfillment of Shema? Because I have to say the words. So what's the difference in what language I say them in? That's my first question. Again, I don't want to hear whys. I don't want to hear anything practical. I don't want to hear, if I say it in the language, I can be greater connection to God. Or if I say it in the language that I understand it, so then my Kabbalah Samach Shemayim is going to be better. Oh, that's actually a good answer. But that answer, you have to explain to me how. Okay, how does language make your Kabbalah Samach Shemayim better? Okay. Now, what is Rabbi Yehuda's idea of Shema that he would require saying it in Lashon HaKodesh? And lastly, what is the Chachamim's idea of Shema that it could be said in any language? In other words, there's the benefit to saying it in any language, and there's the benefit to saying it in Lashon HaKodesh. But what I want to hear is taking that benefit and relaying it back to Shema. What does that tell me about Shema in Rebbe's opinion, and what does it tell me in the Chachamim's opinion? Those are the 3 questions. Guys, I miss you greatly. I can't wait to start having my cell phone buzz off like crazy with the different answers that I get and the different questions and the 9 steps. or you can send it to me by cell phone. But today I will be marking this, and I expect the answers. And again, I miss you guys. Have a great day.